Hi guys, we welcome you to Föhrenberge Nature Park in Austria. Before we continue to this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy watching! Liechtenstein Castle, or Bright Stone, is a privately owned castle near Maria Inzersdorf in Lower Austria, bordering Vienna. It is on the edge of the Wiener Wald, or Viennese forest. Originally built during the 12th century, was destroyed by the Ottomans in 1529 and 1683. And it remained in ruins until 1884, when it was rebuilt. The family owned the castle from at least year 1140 until the 13th century, and again from 1808 to the present. Hi guys! Ito kami ngayon sa Liechtenstein Castle. It was built on 12th century. Gusto namin pumasok kaya lang sarado pa dahil malamig pa ngayon. Pero probably this summer it's open for guided tour inside. Napakaganda ng tanang control na. Kung gusto niyo pumunta naman dito, mula sa Bahnhof Leasing, sakay kayo ng 259 na bus. Baba kayo ng Maria Inzersdorf Schulplatz. Kita-kita tayo dito next time. Fun fact: in a 1993 film, The Three Musketeers, featured shots of the castle. Amphitheater, built 1810. The amphitheater is one of several artificial romantic ruins built by Prince Johann Joseph I of Liechtenstein. To enhance the black pine forest he had planted in 1808. Pahinga muna kami, papunta na kami sa may next destination, yung ruins Hindi ko lang alam kung anong pangalan nun. Black Tower in German, in English. Pahinga muna kami saglit. Ngayon, after nito, schwarzerturm, yung ruins na dito sa area ng Remuel sa Austria. Schwarzerturm, this widely visible and striking landmark, the Black Tower owes its origins to Prince Johann I of Liechtenstein, inspired by the neo-romantic zeitgeist, and most likely considered to be an observation tower before it was later used as forester residence. That's it, guys. Tapos na yung pamamasyal natin sa taas na Föhrenberge. Next time ulit, sana man kayo tayo mapupunta. Thank you for watching. But don't forget to like and subscribe. And click the button below. Thank you for watching. Bye!